we need to look around this because you wouldn't guess what on earth this is. It's another crazy monster Liberty Walk build from Heng, who did one of these silhouette builds on an RX-7 last year. Now he has gone absolutely crazy on this, and you really would have no idea what this is. And I didn't know what it is until I got to see the quarter light and the rear light. It's a 180SX with a whole Liberty Walk silhouette mental build going on. And it is just huge, the way that splitter is coming out, that huge intake there, smaller intakes there, exits going on. And also these exits here to deal with the anti-squat, although I don't think this car is going to be diving into corners so much. It needs to get rid of the air. But to be honest, as much as I like the car, my favorite thing is probably these wheel discs because they just look incredible and they fit the car. They're color coded, looks absolutely fantastic. For the record, it's actually 255 35 18-inch tires on this. And this kit is mental. It's right down on there. You can see the exits coming there. You can see the tiny aero mirror here. A lot of carbon fiber Recaro seats. You see carbon fiber in there. And you can see the big intake feeding the air. Impact Speedfest, we need to mention that at this point. And then this rear wing is carbon fiber, two-piece. And it's got these big Liberty Walk style end pieces that go down onto the back end. And when you get to here, you can tell what it is. And I also forgot, it's got a sunroof and it's got a small spoiler on the back end. And then down here, I mean, the dish on these wheels is unbelievable. Liberty Walk calipers, discs, bells. I've also got exits coming out here as well. It's a full race feel. And what I like here is it's got this big piece molded in, coming right out. And I hate to say this, but it's almost like Heng's Volvo that he did recently that looked fantastic. But it's JDM and completely different. But this comes right out over the lights. And when you see the lights, you know what car it is. It's got a high level light in there. That is really cool, and it really works together. I mean, sometimes people put a big wing and kind of put a ducktail underneath, and it doesn't work, but this really does. And then it's got this huge, beautifully finished diffuser on the back and a rain light in the middle, Japanese plates. We should mention this video superstar here as well, this guy, all the way from Australia, I think, as well. Anyway, that is absolutely beautiful. I kind of like these neat lights in here as well. Amazing car. I really, really love this. Going to walk right round back to the front because less people here now so you can get an absolute feel for what is going on.